Hello everyone, and our project is automatic waste sorting machine. In today's society, due to rapid growth of population resulting in hazardous production of waste, most of the waste produced are disposed randomly in surrounding water source and open landfill, which become one of the major issues for nowadays. Thus, sustainable waste management and a proper waste disposal issue is the biggest challenge for both urban and rural areas. Whereas some of the waste are made of a material like metal, paper, plastic that can be further reused and recycled. So, to enhance the sustainable waste management, we aim to make a machine where the waste are segregated into their respective bins automatically and effectively, such as plastic, metallic substances. So, segregation helps to reuse, reduce, and recycle the waste effectively. Our project utilizes sensor, servo motor, and Arduino technology to segregate the waste effectively and automatically in their respective. Moreover, it encourages people to more conscious about their waste disposed properly by creating a sustainable future for all. The objectives of this project are: first, to learn the basic understanding of Arduino programming language based on C++ and programming of a microcontroller board Arduino Uno to interact with the sensor and servo motor to connect the breadboard. Second, to use the sensor and servo motor to separate automatically waste in their respective bins. Third, hands-on experience of knowledge gained in multi-skill course to make this exhibit. The working system of this exhibit is: when any waste is thrown into this transparent pipe, we use two sensors: integrity sensor which detect only metal and the capacitor sensor which detect wet and dense material. We use two servo motor, top servo motor that connect with the lead and the bottom servo motor that connect with the base. Now I will show how it works. That is a key made of metal. As you can see, this key is made of metal that when metal is come closer to the integrity sensor, it detect and transmit a digital signal to the Arduino board, and later it command the bottom servo motor to rotate. And in such a rotation, the metal will directly come under the transparent pipe where the top servo motor open the lid and the metal waste is dropped directly into the metal bin. After the waste material is away from the integrative sensor, the metal bin will automatically back into its original place. Likewise, this is dense material. When the dense material is thrown into this transparent pipe, the capacitor sensor will detect and transmit a digital signal to Arduino Uno. Later, it commands the top servo motor to open the lid. Later, the dense material will drop exactly under the wet and dense bin. After filling the bin with the waste, we can detach and dispose them in other bin. Like we can dispose them in other bin by using a interlocking tape, and we can attach again to the base, and that's how we use again and again. The scientific principle involved are: first, inductive proximity sensor is based on electromagnetic field. Inside the sensor body, there are coil. It presents in coil that generate the electromagnetic field, and through the sensing phase, when the metal substance enter the electromagnetic field, it transfers a small current called eddy current, and due to this, the load will be caused and the oscillator amplitude will decrease and trigger the Schmitt trigger, and later turn on the indicator light which detect the metal substance. Secondly, capacitive proximity sensor is based on changes in capacitance, and inside the sensor body there are two electrodes which generate the electrostatic field, and once a wet substance is enter into a electrostatic field, due to this the load will be caused and trigger the indicator light to turn on to detect the wet substance. Once a wet substance away from the sensor body, where the oscillator amplitude will back to normal and indicator light will turn off. Third, servo motor. The servo motor is based on closed loop control system. Inside the servo motor, it contains a small DC motor that connected with the out shaft through the gears. The gears are connected to the servo horn, to link the potentiometer. The potentiometer gives feedback position to the error amplifier that contain in small control unit. The advantages are, first, we can turn into some waste into good for use, such as waste of animal, waste of flower and vegetables into a manure and fertilizer. Later they are composed after decomposition. Secondly, it is easy to recycle waste such as metal, non-metal, plastic, glass, paper, etc. to form a new product that reduces the harm to people, animal and ultimately environment. Finally, the automatic waste sorting machine that reduces the human effort and less time consuming.